The water that doesn't move, the pond will stink while the river constantly cleans itself. So our bodies function similarly. This energy has to move constantly, just like your blood. Blood flow stops, problem. So if imagine an obstacle, let's say in your neck, right here, and the energy goes up and it goes down behind. So everything here that is blocked from this spot will get less energy. It can suffer. But here, you get a pile up of too much energy and you get a headache. Or you can't sleep, or you have other emotional, mental issues and such. So all we do, well, we take a couple Tylenol and wait for it to work, or do something else, or you come and see me. It takes about 2 minutes to take that excess energy off, and the headache is gone just like that. Now that works for every other pain. Some that is more physical, obviously, is a little bit more difficult to fix, but everything is fixable. Whenever there's less energy in some area, it is like a weakened immune system, or you're getting less fuel to certain part of your body. Again, comes down to what if your blood flow stops. So the energy flow slowing down would do the same thing. What we do in energy healing is, or specifically in bioenergy healing, we recognize these areas. We go around the body. You can all learn how to do this, by the way. You can feel where the energy is out of balance. There's a little bit of heat, tingling, pressure, and such. We recognize those areas, and we have specific movements to take the energy off or give the energy. And at the end, which is specific only to this method, we jumpstart the energy flow. So literally jumpstart the river. And as that happens, we give the body back its ability, its natural ability to heal itself. That's its natural function, right? So I don't really heal anybody per se. I just I fix the energy. I do like energy engineering, really, and maybe a little kick to the body to jumpstart its own movement. What I observed for many years, I've been doing this for about 35 years or so. I realized a few years ago when during the lecture somebody asked me, well, what about when you get sick? I stopped and gee, I haven't been sick since 1989. That was the last time I had the sniffles or something, or a cough. I did have one afternoon in 2006, I was coughing for an hour. I don't know why, just something. But that was it. Now, do I eat like the healthiest food on the planet every day and exercise for hours? And, not really. I do watch what I eat. I do exercise, but none of this validates how come I never got sick. 2 years ago, my fiance got COVID. We slept in the same bed, ate the same food, kissed, nothing. I tested negative the whole time. We fixed her up quickly, so she suffered only a day. That was it. But that's how fast and how strong the energy can work. So what's the secret? Well, I realized that, yeah, this is not my energy that I heal with. It's just my body's ability to transform that energy or send it over. But everybody has the same ability. When you give a hug or receive a hug, you feel the same thing, right? There's a little bit of warmth. There's a little bit of tingling. It's a pleasant feeling. And it dawned on me like, gee, so what is the best way of actually healing somebody? It's to teach them how to heal. You don't have to know how to heal yourself if you constantly work on others.